everyone. Why is a grandfather clock called a grandfather clock? I bet you might think the answer is obvious. Think about it. Grandfather clocks with pendulums and chimes and Roman numerals sound old-fashioned. Something that we might find in our grandparents' houses. That may seem logical, but a grandfather clock's name has nothing to do with actual grandfathers. First of all, when the grandfather clock was originally invented, it was called a long case clock, or a floor clock. And that was in the 1680s. Fast forward to 1875, when a songwriter named Henry Work was visiting a hotel in Yorkshire, England. He was told of a story about how the clock in the main room of the hotel stopped working when the owner of the hotel died. Now, there's some debate as to whether that story is true. But nevertheless, York was fascinated by that story, and he wrote the song My Grandfather's Clock, which described a similar situation. That song became so popular that long case clocks eventually became known as grandfather's clocks, and eventually grandfather clocks. The song My Grandfather's Clock has been recorded by several artists over the years, so although grandfather clocks may be old and obsolete, the song that inspired their name endures. Bye.